Hey everyone, Gil here at Camppatton Family Compound. Got another unboxing here. Generally, I wouldn't bother doing for this type of item, but look at the condition of this box. So that's why I want to open it here on camera. Let's see here, just trying to tell how and where. Okay, one of the ends here. So let me get my hair out and see if I can open this. Looks like there we go. Yeah. All right, so hang on. Shit. Okay. All right, so let's see what we got here. All right. Looks like they were going to first. Looks like they were going to first try to ship it postal, but they sent it UPS. So let me see if I can find where the just have one of those easy tears on it or not. Yeah, it looks like not sure. Well, it's not going to be easy. So okay, this one's in a plastic bottle. Otherwise, it might have been damaged. This is a the other avocado oil mayonnaise I got was the from Primal Kitchen. This is from Chosen Foods, and just I'll make sure here: avocado oil, filtered water, egg yolks, whole eggs, distilled white vinegar, mustard, and just salt, spices, rosemary extract. That's it. Cool. All right, so we're going to try this one out. The other one's just about gone, and Amazon no longer carries it in the quart size. And I should have done last time is when I first got it, I almost got the 2 jars, but I wasn't sure how it was going to taste. I should have immediately, as soon as I tasted it, ordered the 2 jars. But now they don't seem to carry it in the quarts. They carry it in the 12-ounce size, and it's even more expensive. But this was cheaper. So we're going to see how this one here tastes. But it survived, and well, that's good for that. All right, I'll let you guys know how this one tastes later on. Take care.